food on the table? Of course, honey. We're gonna put the food. We have this here. I love this food. Juice. And I'm going to put this cupcake. Oh, thank you, honey. I'm going to put these bananas. This is for the baby. And the pineapple. Oh, it fell off the table. And the sandwich and the burger. Mommy, what is that? Of course, you can open it. It's for you. Mommy, can I help you put the food on the table? Of course, honey. I'm going to put the orange juice, the pineapple, roll down, and the bananas, and the cupcake, and the baby bottle for the baby, and a sandwich. Mommy, can we start eating now? Okay. But first... Wait, what is that, Mommy? You wouldn't know. Just open it. I'll get it for you, honey. It's too heavy for you. Okay. Come on, honey. Do you want to open it? Okay, Mom. Wow. I know which way to open it. Open. Yay, I'm really happy I got this. I want to open it. It's a big bag. Oh, I forgot the straw in here. Mommy, what is this for? And actually, it's to put it in this straw so I can blow it. I'm going to blow it. What do you feel there? When I was blowing, all the confetti fell out. Oh, I like all the confetti. Now I'm going to see what's inside. Where do we open it? Here. Wow, this is so beautiful. I really love this bag. Now I'm going to open it. What's in here? What's in here? I'm going to soup. I would really love it. I don't know how it looks. Oh, there's some sticky tape. I didn't know that. Okay. Ooh, I found this many bags in here and also a construction. I'm gonna see which dolls I have in here. I'm gonna see which doll. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this one. I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Wow, I really love her. I really love this one. Cute. I'm gonna open this bag. Let's see what accessories I have. What do I have in here? Oh, I got the clothes. What do I have in here? Could be the shoes. Open it up. I'm gonna pick these out. I think this shoe. Ooh, I like these shoes. I'm gonna pick my doll up and take the clothes out. Ooh, I want to see what type. Oh, this is a t-shirt and this is skirt. I'm gonna dress her up first. Okay, put the arms through. Some goes here. And this arm goes here. Now I'm going to put these clothes together. And then I'm going to put the skirt on. Now, here I go. Skirt's very pretty. I'm going to put the shoes on. We put them on. There we are. And now I'm going to grab the other shoe. Here. Wait, put it the wrong way. My doll has long hair and her hat is so fluffy, and her name is Paula. And I like her shoes because it's blue. And she looks pretty. And I like her name. Mommy, thank you for giving that present for me. You're welcome, honey. I love it. And it's my favorite doll. I've never had this before. I really like it. My favorite. Mommy, thank you for giving that present. Okay, now it's time to eat. Okay, Mommy. Can we go eat now? This is going to be my best picnic ever. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't give me a like. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.